The deck lounge, formerly the G16 lounge, is right next to gate 16. You can find a buffet to your right as you enter the lounge. There is a coffee machine, some soft drinks and beer, and some wine and juice. And here's a salad bar. The showers and relaxation room are right beyond the buffet. The Noodle Bar is around the corner from the buffet. This is the menu of the Noodle Bar. There is plenty of seating throughout the lounge. Unfortunately, they aren't serving any Taiwanese beef noodles today, and so I'm defaulting to the usual dan dan mian. The internet speed is more than reasonable here. I must really head off now.